Hello friends, this is a crochet pixie hat for newborn baby. For this pattern we will need this type of yarn, thin yarn, 2.5 mm crochet hook, 1.5 mm crochet hook, some marker, 4 pieces of markers, 1 craft scissor, 1 measuring tape. For newborn 0 to 3 months size, you first you measure the head circumference of your baby, and then you take your foundation chains. Here I am taking total 130 chains, 40 chains for this belt ribbon of the two side, here 40. Then this is the hat portion. Here for hat portion you take 50 chains, and then you can take the 40 chains for ribbon, other side ribbon. Let us start. Make one slip knot, and make 130 foundation chains. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You take total 130 chains. Hello friends, I have completed my 130 foundation chains for this pixie hat, and here I have attached my markers. This is the hat portion, and for hair, this is the circumference of your baby's head. (10" you must take the 10" long of the circumference, and this is the flexible, so you take less chains. This is the 10", and you start from this is the last 130 chains. Here you start from here, you take one more chain and go to the second chain from your hook and make one single crochet. You make one single crochet to the next 40 stitches. you make one single crochet in the every single stitch in the next 40 stitches. You make one single crochet in every stitch and you make only in the 40 stitches of the first round, and then you remove your marker. This is the first marker. You remove this and start from next stitch. You make one double crochet in the next stitch, and you make one double crochet into the next 50 stitches. You make one daisy in the next 50 stitches. I have completed my 50 DC stitch, and then remove the next marker, second marker, and start from the next stitch. Here you make one single crochet and make one single crochet in the next 40 stitches. This is the last 40 stitches, 40 single crochet stitch. Here you cut your yarn and make one slip stitch. This is the ribbon area. This portion is hat area and other one is the ribbon area, and you start from the first DC stitch. You join or attach your yarn in the very first DC stitch. This is the 41 stitches of the second round. Here you join it with slip stitch and make 2 more chain, count as a first DC, and make one double crochet in the back. You insert your hook in the back side of the next DC stitch and make one DC double crochet, and then you insert your hook in the, this is the front side and this is the back side. You insert your hook in the back side of your next stitch and make one double crochet, and then you wrap your yarn over your hook and insert your hook in the front side and pull through yarn and make one double crochet. and you repeat the same pattern, same stitch, the next 50 DC stitch. One DC stitch in the back side and other DC stitch in the front side of every stitch. You repeat it. You repeat it. You make 50 double crochet in the next 50 stitches. I have completed my 50 DC stitch. You working only the middle portion of this line, and this is you make DC stitch, and then this is the border part of the head, and you skip the last 40 single crochet stitch, and then make 1 2 3 chain and turn your work, and this is the back side of your head, and here you go to the very first stitch and make 1 double crochet. You make 1 double crochet in the every 50 stitches. You working only the middle part of your stuff. You make 1 DC each stitch. Repeat it.